thank you for joining us. The province has announced 2 more presumptive cases of COVID-19, one of them a Calgary area woman. The 2 new positive tests join 1 other presumptive case in Edmonton and 1 confirmed case in Calgary. As countries take precautions to protect citizens, our government is reminding Albertans the risk is still low. Here's Tim Brook.
It's news that seemed almost inevitable. More presumptive cases of COVID-19 in Alberta as the virus continues to spread.
Case 3 is a male in his 60s who lives in the Edmonton zone. He had recently been on the Grand Princess cruise before returning to Alberta on February 21st. Case 4 is a woman in her 30s from the Calgary zone. She is a close contact of someone who had recently traveled in Europe.
That's 4 cases in 4 days. The 2 latest, both related to travel.
Each of those people, their details of their movement are being assessed by public health, and anyone that they've been in contact with who's deemed to be at risk is going to be followed up with by public health.
3 of the 4 Albertans who have tested positive have links back to this, the Grand Princess cruise ship. As the vessel docks in Oakland, passengers who were previously on board are being tested by health authorities. 44 Albertans were on a February cruise. Alberta Health is still waiting on test results from some of those passengers.
Along with an increase in the number of presumptive cases, there's also been an increase in the number of tests done by health officials. In Alberta, on Saturday alone, 299 samples were tested. Now, of course, of those, 297 came back negative. But in a situation like this, Dr. Hinshaw says there's no such thing as being overly cautious.
But clearly Albertans are taking our message to heart.
At local churches, changes are being made to communion.
As we're not taking the cup.
Greetings of peace.
The priest told us not to shake hands.
And just general contact.
They disinfect their hands.
The risk is still low here and across the province, and so the messaging has not changed. Wash your hands, be careful in large groups, and if you feel sick, call health authorities. Tim Brook, CTV News, Calgary.